Hello, welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lesson. Today we're going to draw Anna.
Yeah, from Frozen. Alright, should we get started?
Elsa was nice at the end.
Yeah. So we're going to start with her eyes.
Eyes?
Uh-huh. We're going to draw a rainbow shape.
Right here?
A little higher. Okay, and then we bring it together right here. Alright, and then her other eye, we're going to do the same thing, a rainbow shape.
Rainbow shape.
And then we're going to do the bottom part. Now she's going to be looking over to the side, so we're going to draw a C shape in both eyes. And then we're going to do another C shape and fill that in black and leave just a highlight, like that.
Highlight.
That's right.
And then on the other side, color, leave a highlight.
Good job. Now there's eyelashes on this side, on this eye. And then on this eye, they're on the other side. Wait, good job. So you do 1, 2, 3.
I want to do it right here.
Okay, if that's how you want to do it, that's fine. All right, now we're going to draw her nose, which is just kind of like a little curved line in between. That works too. Okay, and then her smile, you do a line and then a rainbow shape. Beautiful. All right, now for her cheek, we're going to go up here by this side of her eye. We're going to do a curved line that goes down and under her mouth. And then it comes up to there.
Right here?
Uh-huh. And then we're going to draw her ear right next to her eye.
Right here?
Uh-huh. And then we're going to draw a swoop for her hair, like this, up to there. And then it's going to go over and down to meet up.
Like this?
Yeah, meets up with the other cheek. All right, so then she's wearing braids. So this side it goes up.
Why does she highlight?
I don't know. And then it comes down, and then we stop right there for now.
Like.
So, and then we'll do the braid in just a second. We're gonna come to this side and curve it around. Big curve. Comes around by her ear. And then it stops there too. All right.
I want to do X's.
So X's are one way of doing it. You can also do so like a curve from this side, and then a curve from this side, and then a curve from this side, and a curve from that side. Do you see how you just switch? Or if you want to, you can draw 2 lines and then do X's in it like you like to do. So you can draw 2 lines down and do X's in it if you'd rather. Yeah, that's cute. And then lift up your pen. And then you can do another curve.
Right here.
Good. And then from here to here.
Right here?
No, from here.
To here?
Nope, from right here to right there. Good job. All right, so we can do a few more of these C shapes.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
Right
And they
here.
get smaller as they go down. So start from there. And curve it down. Yeah. So that's about as long as her braids are, right? So then we'll put a bottom on it.
Right here.
And then the part that sticks out is just kind of like a teardrop shape. Very good. That's a cute braid.
Thank you.
And then for this side, we'll do a curved line this way. Good. And then we're going to draw a curved line under her face to underneath that. So from right there,
To where?
to right here. Yeah, and then you go back to this one and curve it. Very good. And then we'll draw another one. Good. And then another one. Good. And then maybe we want it to be around the same length as her other braid, so just like 2 more, and then you can make the little ponytail holder. Good. And then you can make the bottom of her braid. Cute. I love her braids. All right, now she needs eyebrows. So we're gonna just make little eyebrows up here. If you have, looks like you don't have room for eyebrows because your hair goes down lower. So you don't need eyebrows because her bangs cover her eyebrows on yours. And that's okay. Oh, and we can draw some lines in her hair like that if you want. That's good. Not too many. Okay. All right, so now she needs her pretty dress. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line right here.
Also Elsa's.
Yeah, Elsa's is very pretty. So a diagonal line like that. Good. And then we're drawing a straight line down.
A straight line down.
And then another one right next to it.
Right here.
And then it curves back here.
Right here.
Good. And then her neck is in there.
Where does it look like she has?
So her neck is in there. And then draw a line under her neck. Like this.
Here.
All right, now up here, where that first diagonal line was, right here, we're gonna do a little line down. Yeah, just a little line straight down. A little more. Good job. And then it goes this way towards her hair.
Towards her hair.
Good job. Now she's got that black vest thing. So we got a diagonal line and then a curved line down. And then a curved line from here to here, so like a C shape.
From here to here?
And then it goes back up like this.
Back up like where?
Towards her hair.
Towards her hair right here.
And then we're gonna draw another line right next to it that follows it. So you're just following it, you're making it like that. And that'll be golden. Okay, and now I feel like I have too much space right here, so I need to draw another line here and then a line over, and that's her collar. Good job. All right, and this line is actually supposed to kind of hide behind here, so let's do that. Good. That's good. All right, so now we need to draw the rest of the vest. So it's a curved line right here and then down. And then straight down from there, just a little bit. Nope, yeah, right there. Good, perfect. All right, and then she's got this V-shaped thing on her dress. And then you're gonna make that into a golden fringe too, or a golden something. Okay, and then it's gonna go over to about here.
From here to there?
And then we're gonna bring it up. This is like her back.
Up to here?
And so that is her, and then this is all black.
I had lipstick.
Yeah. Should we color this in black right now? Because it is black in the picture.
Right here?
Yeah, we can go ahead and color this part black.
Now it's time up for blacking.
Yeah, we won't do time lapse for the black part.
but not her hair.
Yeah, don't color in her hair. Very nice. So that's her vest. All right, and then we'll draw her arm in a minute, but first let's draw her skirt. So her skirt comes down and out, and then down and out. Good. Very good. And then you can bring it together like that. And her boots show a little bit.
How do you draw her boots?
So you're gonna draw a U, like an upside down candy cane right here. Can you draw an upside down candy cane? All right, and then it comes down. That's the front of her boot. And then it goes back a little bit, like that. And then there's a little heel right there. Perfect. Perfect. Cute. And then the other one, you kind of, she's walking, so it goes back and then down. Sure, back there. So you do a diagonal line that way. And then it curves forward for the front of her toe. And then it flattens out right here.
Flattened out?
Because her toe's touching the ground. And then her heel is right here. And then you just curve it in, and you got a boot.
Curve it in, cutting.
Cute. Okay, so now when we're coloring, we can like put the flowers that are on the bottom if we want.
Yeah, do it.
Okay, but her arm for right now, we're gonna do one line that way.
And this part is hiding behind her back.
Yeah, and you can only see one arm, so it goes like that. And then it curves up and it goes back like that. And then one more line next to it. It goes behind her hair. Cool. All right. Are we ready to color it?
No.
What's not ready?
The flowers.
Okay, so the flowers, you want to do the flowers in black and then color them later? Okay, that's a good idea. All right, we're going to make some little rainbow shapes like this for part of the flower. There's 3 of them. So make these little rainbow shapes. Okay, and then you're going to draw a smaller part right above it.
Help me, please.
They're just basically like circles with a little flat bottom. Just basically a circle. Yeah. Good. And then you're just making like an arrow down is what it looks like, huh? But you can just do a line if it's too hard. Cute.
Like you're done with them?
Yep, because I only did 3. Are we ready to color it?
Yes.
Yeah! Okay, let's color it in time lapse.
for drawing with us.
Yeah. Thank you so much for drawing.
James says.
Make sure you
guys
She meant make sure you subscribe to our channel. Can you say subscribe?
Subscribe for our channel.
So you
And don't miss out with our videos. Goodbye.
Goodbye.